So when normally people when look at you continuously, someone is looking, that means you feel right, something is wrong in me, something. You ask other people anything different, you feel like the consciousness. So you feel the consciousness in you that why I am continuously watched, why people are looking at me like this, something is wrong in me. So the same thing happens to him. He say, yes, I feel I am an ordinary child, but people doesn't make me to feel like that. Why? Because when they see me, they shout, run away. Wherever I move, when I am moving around in people, they continuously look at me. Something is wrong with me. That's why they look at me like this. That's the reason. Though whatever he does, like an ordinary person, he doesn't consider himself as an ordinary because people are not making him to feel like that. But I am kind of used to how I look by now. He says, but yes, I am used to. Used to means habituated. Whatever in your Telugu word you say, alvatu padpoyanu. This things doesn't make me feel awkward or somewhat odd. Because yes, I am like this. People are watching me. So when something happens to you for the first time, you feel like that. Yes or no? But every time it's happening with you, and let it be, people are like that. So you see, I am habituated. People are watching like to me and shouting. This is normal reaction to me. So I don't feel anything by looking at them like this. I know ordinary kids don't get I know how to pretend. I don't see the faces people make. He says, I know how to pretend now. Pretend means act. I know how to act if people are looking at me. Because by now, habituated. He knows how people will react seeing him. So he says, by now I have said how to make the face when they are looking at me. That means how to give a reaction. So I have prepared myself. That means he has prepared. If people are giving that reaction, in what way I should take care. So see here a child's maturity. Though he is 10 years older, he decided because he accepted whatever the fault he has in him, he accepted. Though he knows he is not extra, something different, people make him feel because he knows I am not like other people in what way. Though he says whatever other people or other children does at this age I do. I know I am an ordinary child, but people doesn't make me feel so. So I have accepted that. I have accepted. I am just behaving what they want me to. That's all. So nothing like I don't feel any awkwardness in me. I know how to pretend and so don't see the faces people make. So he says, I don't observe what reaction they give, in what way they are watching at me, what they are talking about me, what faces means when you see something awkward, how you make your reaction, the emotion on your face, the reaction on your face. So I am not at all making anything. I am afraid, I am just used to. I don't want to show any kind of feelings like that because I am habituated. I have learned how to behave to them. So, because I don't watch their faces regularly. We have all gotten pretty good at that sort of things. He says we all know how to act on when things are not related to us. Okay, this thing is going to be like this. For example, anyone is teasing you. Okay, when you react to them, they tease you more. Someone is, if you give, I leave it. Okay, yes, it is with me like this. What you will do? If you say this word to them, what they will do? Will they tease you next time? No, they will not tease you because only your reaction matters. He says, we all know how to behave. So, in kind of positive attitude, see what he is showing, the positiveness. He knows because he has accepted himself. The way you are, whatever things you going on around you, the way you take it, the reaction what you give only matters. If you take it in a positive way, it is positive. If you take in a negative way, it is negative to you. Yes, someone is teasing you. If you react to them, you beat them, you scold them. So what they do problem. How much you want to tell, or it doesn't, because it doesn't matter to me in any way. Will they come to you next time? No, they will not, because you are not giving any reaction what they want. If you react only according to them, whatever they want, if you want to show them that, then only they will come. If you show them a positiveness, they will not come. So here he says, we all are good in that. Whatever, it depends on us. We are all pretty good in pretending, in acting, whatever we want. If you behave in that way, it's our wish. People, our reaction depends on our, behavior. If you behave positive, it's up to you. If you behave negative, it's up to you. It's all depend on the way you accept the things. We have all gotten pretty good at that sort of things. With all this kind of things, we know how to act properly. When to give importance, when to not give importance. He is saying, me, mom and dad, Vaya. So here he gives his description. Well, whose are his saying? He said myself. And me means he. Here me means August Philemon. Mom means his mother. Dad means his father. His father. Here, Vaya means Olivia, his sister actually. His sister Olivia, who is known as Vaya. Okay. So here he gives introduction of his family. Who is he himself, then his father, mother, one sister, who is known, whom he calls as Vaya. Her full name is Olivia. Actually, I take that back. Vaya is not so good at it. He's saying people, even my family knows how people act to it. And when he takes his sister name, he says no, I don't consider my sister in that, because I know how she acts. When people react to me like that, when people tease him or make faces seeing him, why she acts like that? Why is not so good at it? Why is not so good at what? Acting, taking things normally. Why? Because when people laugh at him, tease him, or stare at him, continuously looking why this person is so different. You can say not person, even child. It's not like other child. When people go on looking at him, what his sister does actually, let's see, she can't get really annoyed. When people do something rude, she can get really annoyed. Annoyed means angry. When people are being rude to August, his sister, gets really annoyed. That means angry. Continuously, whenever you see someone is behaving very odd, someone is behaving very awkwardly to whom? August. By seeing him acting something different to August, she feels very angry at that. So that's why I say, my sister is not good at acting. She can't act. Maya doesn't see me as ordinary. That's why she says, my sister doesn't consider me as ordinary. Because why he sees that thing? Because when people react to him, that matters. Because he considers my brother is special. It may hurt him. So he knows that my brother is not like any other person. So she reacts to people. Why they have to always be rude to my brother? So that's why if my sister considers me ordinary, then these things wouldn't really affect. Even my sister thinks that I am not ordinary. I am not like other people. So she protects me. Maya doesn't see me as ordinary. She says she does. But if I were ordinary, she wouldn't feel like she needs to protect me as much. So she says, Maya really doesn't, she doesn't, she says, yes, I consider you are like normal, all of us. Only she says, August says, only she's saying that she considers me normal, like she considers me like her. But she is not, because when people react to me in a very different manner, she wants to protect from them. That means she knows that I am not ordinary. She wants to make